baby. When I tell you I'm excited, I am excited. Oh my gosh, I can't even hardly sit in the chair. I can't believe when the mailman pulled up, I knew I had to sign for this package. I was running my fat butt out there. I'm like, here, give it to me, give it to me. This is 2 boxes of 2018 Leaf Trinity baseball. Oh my gosh, this product cost so much when it came out. It was so hot and I just couldn't touch it. I just couldn't. You know, I'm a cheapskate at heart. I just couldn't pull the trigger. And so I didn't. And I was sad, but I let it pass me by. And I'll be darned if I wasn't looking around the other day. I'm like, I need to open something that's not a new release, but something that doesn't have a ton of base, because like I said before, I'm overloaded with cards already. And then I saw this at the best price I've ever seen it. This was like probably $50 less than the price it was at the high point. So I got not only 1 but 2. The checklist, the names on this checklist are insane, and there are some incredible cards that can come out of here. Look at that Wander Franco patch, number 1 out of 10, or this Soto patch 1 of 1. Oh my goodness. Of course, that's just 2 of the potential players. You've got, who you got in here? Acuna, Glaber, all kinds of big names are in here. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to do 1 box now, and I'll do another later. I've got some new releases coming, so I'm going to have to work those in first. Of course, everybody wants to see a new release over an older product, even if it is something as glorious as this. Alright, you little friend, you come over here and hang on. Wow, oh, I can't even. I'm about to pee my pants. Okay, not really, but it could happen. I'm super excited. Hopefully, one of the 2 of these produces a patch card of some sort. That would be so nice. Of course, there's, you know, the checklist is big. There's lots of lower, you know, smaller names that are just possibles. Let's see how we want to do this. So let's just do it like this. Let's just do the reach behind. All right, Chris Bubick, number 40 pick in the 2018 MLB draft. I love these too, with the little handwritten note or whatever. Man, these are cool. I can't believe I'm opening a box of this. I'm super, super excited, in case you can't tell. This is not numbered, but it's still a gorgeous card. Wow. Alright. I forgot to say, there's 6 autographs total. Let's see if we can dig around back here. Oh, another one. Will Banfield, number 2 of 5. Can't wait to play in the big leagues. Nice. 2 of 5. Love it. Alright. Oh, we could also get Vlad Jr. is in this too. Braxton Ashcraft, look at that patch. Nice. I can't believe this is not even numbered though. That looks like it. I don't know what that came off of. I guess jersey. Let's see. It just says player worn patch. On the front of this card's authentic autograph and patch. It doesn't say. I can't believe that's not numbered though. That's weird. For something so sweet. Alright. That's 3. Number 4 is... Oh, nice. Grayson Rodriguez. Look at that patch. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's better. I love that this shows the little brand name, but this is clearly letters or probably part... I'm so excited I can't talk. Probably part of his name. Man, these patches are ridiculous. So where are we at? That's number 4. We got 2 more to go. Oh my gosh, look at that patch. Numbered out of 25. Wow, the patches they have on these cards are insane. Alec Thomas, which actually, it's funny, when 2018 Bowman's Best came out, his autographs weren't selling for much, but they started selling for more. Of course, I don't have time to track prospects like I'd like to, but he must be making a stir because his value of his cards are going up. So this is pretty cool. Alright, one more. Let's see it. What you got? Oh, it's thin. It might be a redemption. Let's see. Nope, it's a clear. Is that Acuna? I can't read it. It looks like his signature. Let me get. Yep. There it is. Acuna acetate clear purple autograph. So nice. Yes. Usually Leaf is good about putting the biggest hit at last. Let me get it up against the light so you can see it. Not numbered, but still very, very cool. Yeah, a lot of these, several, a lot, there's only 6 cards total, but several of these were not numbered, which is a little bit surprising, but they are cool nonetheless. Wow. That was as fun as I expected. Let's go back through. So we have the Acuna Clear, this crazy Alec Thomas patch, the crazy Grayson patch auto. Look at that, man. This little baby, and then 2 of the personalized autographs. God, that's just awesome. Alright, I'm going to stop gushing over this and shut my pie hole. I do have the other box, so be watching for that video to post very, 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 very soon. Everybody take care. Love you guys. I'll be back, well, soon. Bye.